Promise me you will not fucking explode. Promise me you will not get fucking pissed. Please. I'm speaking to myself. This is Iasa day 902. 902 of this horrible, rotten Iasa. Amidst forbidden weather that shouldn't exist. Forbidden weather, forbidden weather, forbidden weather. Oh, by the way, it's not my fault that we were pulled out of the Paris Climate Accord. I didn't vote for that. I voted for Hillary Clinton to become president and keep us in it. Today I'm going to talk about thunderstorms and why they're so fucking horrible. There was a time when I once had the belief in the Jesus and in the God. And I sang to him a song of praise to him. And all of a sudden I get freaked out by the BOO! And all of a sudden my praising turned into cursing. It was the first time I'd ever uttered curses against the Jesus. That was the beginning of the end of my faith. That right there. Because I was like, I cared so much. And I offered so much, and yet I'm being treated like shit. Being treated like crap. And if this Jesus is going to treat me like shit and like crap, then I may as well treat him like shit and crap. Back! Until I realized there is no Jesus to get revenge on. That's the biggest bite of all. There is no God controlling anything. The universe is composed of pure chaos. Chaos guides the universe. And the only rule is chaos. That's it. No order, not at all. Take any spot on this planet, untouched by Homo sapiens. It's chaos. But as there is some evil to this chaos, there is some good as well. Is there good to the thunderstorms? No. Thunderstorms are a chaos that is completely evil. If any human being were to gain control of these things, it would surely corrupt him. He would be corrupted by the ability to control and to use them. Or a human being would most likely use them against his enemies, people he hates. Even if these people have empathy, even if these people were to make a peace offering with this man who had control of these thunderstorms, he would probably still use them on his enemies anyway. That's the problem with these things. The best thing to do at our earliest disposal is to get rid of them. Eliminate the thunderstorms. Cancel them out. Whatever is causing this, we have to put the reciprocal into play to cancel it out. Make it stop. Yes, I'm serious. This is too evil to appreciate. It is too evil to appreciate. And I won't. Oh no, hell no. The reason I'm cursing is because these thunderstorms inspired me. Inspired my swearing. Inspired these. I wouldn't even be doing this. One for those thunderstorms in the sky. Anyway, as of 6:33 p.m. I got less than 3 hours sleep last night. That was some sense. As of 6:33 p.m. non-daylight confusion time, 7:33 p.m. daylight confusion time, Central Time. Zone. Now what Power Rangers bullcrap? Zone. Central Time. Time. Zone. I'm still living. In torment, but still living. July 10th, 2019. I forgot to put that in there. I still hate daylight confusion time. And I definitely hate thunderstorms and wish they never existed. Can you imagine a world where thunderstorms never existed? It would be an awful lot better world than this. Oh yeah. Maybe Hillary Clinton would have won in that election if there had been no thunderstorms. You would say, well, if there were no storms, Hitler would have won. Well, maybe Hitler would have not been a thing if there weren't for thunderstorms. Yeah, I hate him. Today is the 116th day of summer this year, not the first with 174 days left. I fear that it's possible I will die of sleep deprivation if that doesn't stop. Temperature check inside is 20.3 degrees centigrade. Outside is 24.2 degrees centigrade. And with that, I bid you adieu. Drop up Bernie, drop up Bernie. Duke of Gus to be president, Big Bernie, drop out twice, drop up Bernie, drop up Bernie.